Sermon number 96. In eulogy of the Holy Prophet. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, who is such first that nothing is before him and such last that there is nothing after him. He is such manifest that there is nothing above him and such hidden that there is nothing nearer than he. The Holy Prophet. His place of stay is the best of all places and his origin the noblest of all origins in the mines of honor and the cradles of safety. Hearts of virtuous persons have been inclined towards him and the reins of eyes have been turned towards him. Through him Allah buried mutual rancor and put off the flames of revolt. Through him he gave them affection like brothers and separated those who were together, through unbelief. Through him he gave honor to the low and degraded honor of unbelief. His speaking is clear and his silence is indicative, like tongue.